Imagine standing only a few meters away from a glowing river of molten rock. The air around you is hot and heavy, the ground vibrates slightly beneath your feet, and bright orange lava slowly flows across the dark landscape. This is what it feels like to witness an active volcano up close. Volcanoes are among the most powerful natural forces on Earth and have shaped the planet for millions of years. They remind us that the Earth beneath our feet is not still, but constantly moving and changing. Volcanoes form when molten rock known as magma rises from deep inside the Earth toward the surface. The interior of our planet is extremely hot, and enormous pressure builds beneath the crust. When magma finds a path through cracks in the Earth's surface, it can eventually erupt, releasing lava, ash, gas, and incredible amounts of energy into the environment. Some volcanic eruptions are explosive and violent. These eruptions can send massive clouds of ash many kilometers into the sky and cover huge areas with volcanic debris. Entire landscapes can change in a matter of hours. Other eruptions are slower and produce rivers of lava that move steadily across the ground like glowing streams of fire. Lava itself can reach temperatures of around 1200 degrees Celsius. That is hot enough to melt many metals and instantly destroy almost anything it touches. When lava cools, it slowly turns into solid rock, creating new land and reshaping the surface of the planet. Despite the danger, scientists often travel close to active volcanoes in order to study them. By observing volcanic activity, researchers can learn more about how eruptions work and how to better predict future volcanic events. This research can help protect communities that live near volcanic regions. In places like Hawaii and Iceland, people can sometimes safely observe volcanic activity from designated areas. Tourists travel from around the world to see lava flows with their own eyes. Many hike across vast fields of black volcanic rock to reach places where glowing lava slowly moves across the landscape. Seeing lava in person is a completely different experience from watching it in videos. The heat radiates through the air even from several meters away. The ground may feel warm beneath your feet, and the air sometimes smells strongly of sulfur and volcanic gases. You can hear the sounds of the volcano as well. Cracking noises echo through the landscape as lava cools and solidifies. Occasionally pieces of rock break apart where small bursts of gas escape from the molten material. These sounds remind you that the ground beneath you is alive and constantly changing. At night, the experience becomes even more dramatic. The glowing lava lights up the darkness like a bright river of fire cutting across the land. The orange light reflects off clouds of steam and smoke rising into the sky, creating a scene that looks almost otherworldly. Volcanoes have shaped our planet in incredible ways over millions of years. Entire islands and mountain ranges have been formed by repeated volcanic eruptions. The Hawaiian Islands themselves were created by lava flowing from volcanoes deep beneath the ocean floor. Volcanic eruptions can also create fertile land. When volcanic rock breaks down over time, it forms soil that is rich in nutrients. Because of this, many farming communities exist near volcanoes, growing crops in soil that was once molten rock flowing across the ground. However, living near a volcano also carries serious risks. Some eruptions can happen with little warning, forcing entire communities to evacuate quickly. Ash clouds can cover cities, disrupt air travel, and affect the climate for months. Even with these risks, volcanoes continue to fascinate scientists and explorers. They offer a glimpse into the powerful processes happening deep inside the Earth. Each eruption reveals new information about how our planet works. Watching a volcano reminds us that the Earth is constantly evolving. Beneath the surface, enormous forces are slowly moving and reshaping the planet. Mountains rise, islands form, and landscapes change through the power of volcanic activity. Standing near a volcano can feel both terrifying and beautiful at the same time. It reveals the raw power of nature and reminds us how small we are compared to the forces that shaped our world. Sometimes the most unforgettable moments happen when we witness those forces with our own eyes.